Hi, I'm Barry Feynman, creator of the Scratch B Gone system and founder of Barry's Restore It All products here in California in San Diego. This is our development kitchen, and this is where we develop our technologies that we bring to you on a daily basis. Recognize this? This is your collar diffuser ring around your stovetops. This happens to be a brass or a bronze one. Other ones are aluminum. Well, look how unsightly this is. But there's nothing out there right now to help us resolve this problem. We've come up with that at Barry's. So we're going to demonstrate how we use this process in under 2 minutes. How many of you have seen this condition on your brass collar rings and have wondered what can you do about it? This is what you can do. Using Barry's Restore It All products, we've created a new solution. We're going to show you how. All right, now let's get to work. This is your kit. In your kit, you're going to get a 12-ounce bottle solution of concentrated cleaning product. You're going to have a 6-ounce solution of our activating agent. You're going to get a receptacle that holds your collars and the solution. And you're also going to get a final scrubbing pad made out of copper, which is for the brass. Also, I suggest that you might have a scour pad for some fine detailing of the brass, a measuring cup for the contents dispenser, an additional 4 ounces of water that we're going to mix with our concentrate. You may want a receptacle that you can pull these things out so you keep your hands out of the mix, although the chemistry is very safe, and a towel for final cleaning and wiping. We don't have water at this location, so I brought a water source for just the rinsing of the chemistry. And we have a microwave oven. We're going to show you how all this comes together. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take our active ingredient, and it's going to be identified with 4 ounce, 8 ounce. This is a 12-ounce container. We're going to pour off 4 ounces into our mixing cup. That's about right. We'll have this on a clear bottle as we come to production. Now, take your 4 ounces of water, which we prepared, and we're going to mix that together. All right. We're going to put that in our mixing bowl. And we're going to set the microwave at 1 minute. There, we're going to let that go. Okay? We've heated it for 1 minute. Now we're going to add 2 ounces of our active ingredient. This will be a clear bottle. In the future, we have a gradation of 2 ounce, 2 ounce, and so this, we'll put 2 ounces in here as best we can, and we're going to add this. Okay, we're set to go. Now, the element needs to be placed inside of this container. The chemistry itself is very safe. You're certainly able to do it by hand, or I've created a little tool here for ourselves that we use that layers it down much like an egg. And after a few minutes, you're going to see this start to react. You see all the bubble action here. It gets very vehement. So if I were to take my finger and just brush it along the edge of this trim here, let's see what we do. This is what just by touching. And it actually has an exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction is that this metal now is very hot to my hands, temperature-wise. So with this copper Brillo, we could take this and detail out some of these darkened areas, perhaps a Scotch-Brite pad with a little bit of the chemical. I think that was a pretty compelling demonstration of how it looks. There we go.